Hey, so this is Shafiq from Facademy. I'm Facademy trader. So today I want to share with you guys how to use TradingView to find momentum play. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use TradingView screener to find a momentum trading setup. Alright. So this is what we have shared right previously. Basically there is 8 type of price movement and strategies. So um, for each setup, it have a certain characteristic. For example, for position swing, position play, pro position trade strategy, right? Basically, we need to make sure the characteristic of trend is strong. We want to make sure the volatility is suitable for us to buy and hold for long term. Um, if let's say you have the trend but you don't have the volatility, right? Maybe the volatility is too huge for holding our position. We can change to swing trading, right? But in swing trading, we also want to focus more on momentum, right? We want to see also the volume and momentum play. Next, right, we look at rebound trading. So obviously, in any direction of the market, we we can see a rebound trading, right? When the price making an uptrend, higher high, higher low. Um, uh, Eventually, we found a rebound position. uh, Same thing to in downtrend, right? Rebound position is when it doesn't peak at high, which is lower high, lower low, right? It create another low, another low. So sorry, another high, lower high, another lower high. So that is basically rebound trading. And again, there's a few characteristic. Part of the strategy we can use candlestick pattern, right, to identify the rebound trading. Next, we have pullback trading strategies. So pullback trading strategies is actually depend on the risk. Pullback trading strategy can also be called catching the knife, right? Where you buy the price at where the bottom is. You can also buy pullback trading strategy where you see there's actually you know over excitement in the market in selling the position or maybe over buying the position. So this is pullback trading strategy. Another pullback trading strategy is, when you see the price have dropped a lot already, but slowly losing the selling momentum. So that is another way of pullback trading strategies. So for pullback trading strategies, there is a certain characteristic or strategy that we need to figure out, that we need to understand beforehand, right? What we want to use. So yeah, that's pullback trading strategy. Next, we have breakout trading strategies. So breakout trading strategies normally is a very, I think one of the famous trading strategies, right? Breakout trading strategies. A lot of big trader, famous trader, they use breakout trading strategies. But the basic of breakout trading strategies is basically it create a higher high, right? It break the cheap high, so basically break the previous high, or what we call cheap. When it break the previous high, then that is breakout play. In another sense of breakout trading strategy, is basically when you refer to lower time frame, right? But in a lower time frame, there is lower signal of support resistance. So when the price break that the resistance, that is where we play the breakout strategies. In a lot of way, right? Actually, breakout trading strategies really work wonder, especially if you select a good fundamental counter, because the logic of it is when a company have a good business, right? The trend of the business will be uptrend. How we want to confirm that, right? From the market sentiment point of view, is basically to look for breakout setup, right? When the price create another higher high and higher low. So that is breakout trading strategies, right? Next, we go with a reversal trading strategy first. So reversal trading strategies is um, the price from a downtrend or an uptrend, right? Showing a reversal signal, or showing a characteristic that you want to reverse from the the prior direction of the market. So yeah, that is reversal trading strategies. And I going probably to share a video about reversal trading strategies, how to identify a reversal, but probably that is in another videos. Next, we also have sideway trading strategy. Sideway trading strategy is we play a sideway counter that provide us with enough liquidity and enough volatility to make profit uh, inside the movement, right? So in sideway, in a sideway counter, right, the price will move up, down, up, down, down, down. So at a certain duration, it will bias to bullish. At a certain direction, it will bias to bearish. So within this, within this box of sideway movement, is basically what we can do to to make profit lah, right? By looking at the biasness of either it's bullish or bearish, depend on the chart analysis as well as market sentiment, right? Lastly, we have momentum trading. So momentum trading is a counter that have a sudden change in momentum, right? Counter that is sudden interest in the market. So this is momentum trading. So why momentum trading is very very rewarding, because when market showing the interest to buy in and the momentum increase, that's when a lot of the time uh, where our extra money we come from, right? So we like in any other trading setup lah, right? We like if there's a strong momentum, right? But in this case, we enter just because of the momentum. So if our entry is a bit too late, right? We can still enter our momentum trading strategy or momentum setup, but we need to make sure that the momentum, we need to have a parameter to read the momentum, right? So that we not just blindly buy and sell, or just buy and sell just following the market without really understand our strategy. So that is momentum trading. In other ways, is basically momentum strategy. You look for counter that have a change in momentum. So another way, there's a few strategy lah, right, to find this momentum trading strategy. First, you look at trend angle, right? So counter moving up, down, and up. So moving up, down, and up. So you see, if you compare this angle, previous previous price angle with the current price swing angle, you can definitely see there's a momentum change. So meaning that market picking up this interest in the counter. So there's one way of looking at momentum. Another way, you can look at the indicator. You can look at uh, 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 you can look at volume, right? So all these things, right? Now we back to the topic about momentum trading, how to create the screener, right? So in this case, I want to share with you guys how I create my momentum trading screener. Um, I'm using Malaysia counter as a reference, right? So first, I set the volume to be more than 1 million. Next, I set the exponential moving average 5 above exponential moving average 10. This is because I want to find an uptrend counter, but a short-term uptrend, right? That's why I use 5 and 10. Next, I look for stochastic RSI slow below stochastic RSI fast. So basically, I want the stochastic RSI um, slow below fast to see whether uh, to see in short term whether the momentum is bullish or bearish, right? So next, relative strength index above 40. The reason I choose 40 because I want it to break 40, right? From below 40 to above 40, because the understanding is if the price, sorry, if the RSI break 50 level, uh, or trade above the 50 level, it can be called an uptrend direction. If the price trade in below 50, it is, we can call it is bearish direction. So when the counter from negative or from a low relative strength, break through the 40 relative strength, that is where a lot of uh, reversal or a lot of potential momentum play that we can find, right? So yeah, that's why I use 40. I want to identify it a little bit early. Next is stochastic RSI, right? So stochastic RSI, this is basically just to confirm this one, right? So this one below the fast, this one fast above the slow, right? Just to make sure the algorithm is correct, right? So this is counter that we can find, right? So if you look at the screener, right, you can see that yeah, you can sort by volume, then you can can study lah, right, the screener. So if you sort by volume and study screener, you can see that, all right, certain counter have maybe RSI above 70, right, like this one. So this counter got momentum, but maybe a bit too high, right? So at the end of the day, my point is, although you create your momentum play screener, right, or you create momentum setup screener, by the end of the day, you need to know what you really look for, so that and what is your trading strategies, so that yeah, you can make money in the market. So I guess that's all from me. Thank you very much. Bye.